advanced water filtration. Protects against microplastics, chlorine, organic chemical matter and sand, dirt, cloudiness and more, improves taste. Made to last. Long-lasting membrane microfilter lasts up to 4,000 liters and the activated carbon filter lasts up to 100 liters of water with proper use and maintenance. Rigorously tested. Reusable, durable and BPA-free, independently lab tested to meet protocols established by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, and NSF International/ANSI. Thoughtful and sustainable design. 22 ounces capacity. Every fill avoids single-use plastic bottled water. Easy to use, easy to clean. Bottle and cap are dishwasher safe once the filter is removed. Your purchase has impact. One purchase, one child, 1 year of safe water. Top reviews from the United States. Lifesavers. Really cool items if you know what you're getting. Yes, it's difficult to drink from the straw. Yes, you have to clean it and such. But these could be the difference between life and death on a trail. Very lightweight and good quality. Can safely drink from those fresh creeks that always looked so refreshing.